Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this racing style gaming chair that I think it could be really good for a couple scenarios. For example, gaming, 100% don't worry about that. It could be also really good for home office because it's a comfortable chair, but I do believe that it could be really good if you're a parent. This could be their first gaming chair, kind of like your kid's first gaming chair. This could be a really good one for that. Not only because it has some really good features, but also this one supports up to 300 pounds, so it could be both for kids and adult people as well. Just based on the size of this chair, it's a lot of weight. I have to say that it's a lot of weight limit. Also, the assembly process, it is super simple. Everything comes explained right here, and it took me about, I think, like 20 minutes with power tools, or 15 minutes, even less than that. So let's take a closer look. So a couple things about this chair. You can see that looks like a racing style gaming chair, and of course it is super easy to assemble. You're gonna find a few things about the chair that I really like. For example, this pillow, you can remove it from here and you can just put it up on top if you want. So that's gonna be more for your neck, or up here is gonna be more for your head. I do think there are a really good thing about having it right here in your neck, and I'm gonna show you why in a few seconds. Also comes with this really nice pillow that you can remove, as you can see, but this is gonna be your lumbar support, so that's a really good thing to have. Racing style look. And this one right here, it is super firm, withstands 300 pounds, as I was just telling you before. So it's super firm right here. And you can see that it's very cushioned right here on the edges. Another thing, this one's the armrest, you can't modify the height. These are gonna actually be attached to the chair, and they will move with your chair when you recline. I'm gonna show you that in a few seconds, but these are really nice, padded with this kind of like leather-ish feel of this gaming chair. Like every other chair, you can modify the height of the chair just like that. But then it has two things that I believe that pair with this pillow over here on your neck, they're gonna go super good. It comes with a dedicated, it's not a footrest, it's kind of like, it's a leg rest, because it's not right here on your ankle, because it's not super long. So this one's gonna be more for your legs. But then pairing this with the pillow and this right here, which I'm gonna unlock right now, take a look at this. It has 155 degrees recliner, which I think it is really good. So you can see now how my legs are going to be resting on that footrest, my head with the pillow right here on my neck, and this really nice recliner that I have to say that is really comfy for like napping in between gaming sessions or working from home as well. Another good thing is I can actually stop it at any point I want, just like that. So now it's gonna stay like that, or I can just unlock it, put it back, and just lock it back. Put the footrest back in, and you're all set. Again, this is a really good gaming chair for, I wanna say, like for basic for kids, I think so, but it could be used for adults as well. With removable lumbar supports, 300 pounds of weight limit, racing style, and good pads everywhere with the footrest and the recliner. Like it, I recommend this one, thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.